Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday.
Do you smell that? It smells so good. What is that? Oh, I think it's French toast. Oh, Marky loves French toast. So delicious. Do you know how to make French toast? Marky knows how to make French toast. And so we're going to make French toast on the episode today. You're going to learn all the ingredients to make French toast and how to make French toast. Oh, it's so exciting. And also, not only are you going to learn how to make French toast, you're going to get a chance to win a prize. So stay all the way to the end of the episode, and Marky Monday will tell you how you can win your prize. You ready to start the show? Let's learn how to make French toast. Woo!
Hey, Presley, what do you have for us today? Well, Marky, we're going to start with ingredients to make French toast. You see, we need slices of bread for French toast. We also need vanilla extract to make French toast. We also require 1 cup of milk to make French toast. We also need 1 egg to make French toast. We also need cinnamon to make French toast. And also nutmeg to make it taste really good, this French toast.
Marky plays drums!
Donny, Donatello, Cleo, Cleopatra, Donny, Donatello, Cleo, Donny, Cleo, Donatello, and Cleopatra, cats.
Duh, I love paper. Look at this thing. Look at this ball of paper. It's my favorite. Yes, I'm gonna just eat it, move it around. I love paper so much. Oh, that paper. Can't get my... What does this smell like? I think this up here, this would be a cupboard of some sort.
You are so boring, Donatello. I'm so bored with you. All you do is sniff paper all day long, and I just sit here watching it. I've had enough of that.
Oh, there's more paper. Look, I'll show you my paper skills. You won't be bored anymore. Watch this. I'm going to hit it around and hit it some more. Yeah. I'm going to rip this paper apart, Cleopatra, because that's what I do. Ripping paper apart. You watch me. I will take this paper and manhandle the paper. Just like this. Watch me manhandle this paper. I'm going to take it. Yeah! I'm going to eat this paper. Show it who's boss. Watch this. You won't be bored anymore when I'm done with this paper. I'm gonna eat it like this and spit it out like this. I'm gonna eat more paper, and then spit it out like this. Yeah, eat more paper, spit it out like this. Eating more paper, spitting it out like that. That's what I do to paper, Cleopatra. That's what I do.
Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana. Giant banana.
Hey, Giant Banana, are you showing us how to make French toast? Yeah, that's right. I'm going to pour in all these ingredients with you. So that's the milk. We pour in the milk first, you see. Now we're going to crack this egg, just like so, and put it in the bowl with the milk. Yeah, be very careful. You don't want the eggshells to go in the bowl. Okay, now that we've got that, let's take some vanilla extract. You want to get a teaspoon, exactly a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just like this, over top of the bowl, and pour it right in. Very good, yes. Yes. Oh, thanks, Giant Banana. Yeah, no problem. You're doing great. I can't do this because I don't have hands. But you do. Oh, yeah, get the cinnamon. Yeah, pour that cinnamon in there. Very nice. Ooh, lots of cinnamon. I like that. Yep, and nutmeg. We got to get that nutmeg in there. You don't have to add nutmeg, but it gives it a really nice flavor. That's very good, Marky Monday.
Thanks, Giant Banana. What do we do now?
Well, we're going to prepare to mix it all together. So you take a whisk like this and whisk it. Whisk it all together, Marky. Vigorously, as quickly as you can without spilling it anywhere.
This is going pretty good, I think.
Oh, yeah, you're doing a great job. Just keep on whisking that together. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk until it's all combined into one. Nice and smooth. The eggs all mixed in there very nicely. There's no chunks anywhere. Very good, Marky. Yay!
It's time for the beat of the week. Yeah, beat of the week. Woo! This week, we're taking I love French toast and putting it in our beat. Oh, yeah. I do love French toast. I love French toast. Let's do it together with Marky. Ready? I love French toast. I love French toast. I love French toast. I love French toast. Yes, very good. Now let's do it to music with Margarita, Señorita, Bonita, Chiquita, Banana.
Okay, Margarita loves the French toast. Oh, it's Margarita's favorite. I love French toast. So we're going to do I love French toast to Margarita music. Let's go! I love French toast. 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 I love French toast.
Marky plays guitar.
Redonculus, the ridiculous, the
Redonkulus, are you helping me make French toast?
Well, of course I am, Marky. We're doing it together using coconut oil. Now, you can use coconut oil or you can use butter. And what you do is you lubricate the pan, just like this, so the French toast does not stick to the pan. Good, very good. And you can use something soft so you do not scratch the pan.
Okay, what do we have here? Yes, I've had this brush.
Oh, good, brushes are good, very good, yes. Just brush that on. Good, Marky. Now you take the actual bread and you dunk, yes, one side and then another side into your mixture and put it on the pan. Good, Marky. Now take another one, yes. 1, 2, and onto the pan again. Yes. And number 3. 3 at the same time, Marky. Wow.
Yes, I know. I'm pretty good at this, Redonkulus.
Yes, you are. Very good. Oh, yeah. I love it. I love it. Now we wait. Heat on medium and waiting. And while we wait, Marky, you can cut some strawberries.
Oh, I love strawberries, Redonkulus.
Yes, they're very good. But first, make sure that everything is not sticking good. And strawberries can be for later. As soon as you want, Marky.
Well, I'll do it soon. I just wanted to check the French toast one more time there.
Yes, okay, that's good. We're going to flip soon. There's the strawberries.
Yes, here's the flipping.
Oh, very good. Good flips, Marky.
Thanks, Redonkulus.
Yes, so there you are, flipping, cutting. Strawberries are good for on top of French toast. They are delicious. Oh, good flips, Marky. It's looking good on both sides.
Yes, just giving it like another few seconds on each side.
Good, Marky, in preparing strawberries. Good use of your time. Ready? There's the French toast. Now we get ready with another side, yes. Dunking pudding, and dunking pudding. Marky, did you break one?
Yeah, I did. I made a mistake, Redonkulus.
Oh, that's okay, Marky. It will be delicious anyways. Very nice. Very nice. Now flipping maybe. Yes, good flipping. And flipping again. Yes, very good. Now we wait. And in the meantime, Marky, what else do we have to put on the French toast for later? Oh, yes, that would be some delicious granola. Oh, yeah, I love granola. What else? What else do we have? Oh, delicious peanut butter. Oh, peanut butter delicious. What else do we have, Marky? Oh, maple syrup. I love maple syrup, Marky. Very good. Very good indeed. Are you going to flip again? Yes, flipping. They look ready.
They sure are, Redonkulus. They're definitely ready.
Yay, we made French toast. Good job, Marky.
Thanks, Redonkulus.
Marky plays piano!
we have a very talented guest for you on the show today. Her name is Ashwina, and she's from the Ovation Performing Arts Academy. And she has a song that she has sung, and we did a music video with her, and it's called Ballad of Mona Lisa. Yeah, it's such a great tune. And I wanted to show it to you because it's so cool, and she's such a great singer. And here she is on the Marky Monday Show.
Fingers with the close precision. You start to notice empty bottles of gin, and takes a moment to assess the sin she paid for. A lonely speaker in a conversation, the words are swimming through his ears again. There's nothing wrong with just a taste of what you paid for. Sell him. Say what you mean, tell me I'm wrong. Let the sun rain down on me. Give me a sign, I wanna believe. Oh, Mona Lisa, charity to run this town.
It's prize time, boo-doo-doo-doo. It's prize time, boop-a-loop-boo-boo. Yes, my favorite part of the show, a chance for you to win a prize. So, you have to answer this skill testing question. How many slices of French toast did we make on the episode today? How many slices of French toast did we make on the episode today? If you know the answer to that question, go in the description of this video and click on the prize portal. The prize portal will take you all the way to the Marky Monday prize portal where you can type in your name, email address, and answer to today's question. If you answer it correctly, Marky Monday will send you a prize. And your prize for today is a collectible card, a Presley the Alien collectible card. Ooh, yours to take home for your very own. Yes, that's right. And thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure. Like this video, share it with all your friends, and there will be a new episode next Monday. Always on the Monday mornings, new episodes. Until then, hasta Luigi!
Hey, thanks for watching. Click the circle to subscribe to the Marky Monday channel. Yes, and click the squares to watch another episode of the Marky Monday Show.
And make sure you tune in next Monday for another great show. Until then,
Hasta Luigi!